What's up, YouTube? I was gonna do a little video about me shipping all my books to Amazon FBA for the first time, but I'm afraid my workspace is a little cluttered, so instead of doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and clean everything up. Here's my normal setup: desk, 2 monitors, got this thing in the background. Basically, I picked up a free desk on Craigslist, free stuff, and it's a little L-shaped desk, so it's gonna fit right in this corner, and we're gonna replace that with this. And I'm out of breath right now. We're gonna get this, move it over here with the other stuff, and we'll get this filled in. Also, here's the new digital scale I got right here. Oh, we also got rid of the squat rack right here. We used to have a squat rack right here. We got rid of that. We gave it to my friend. Okay, we got a lot to do. We're gonna get it done. So here's the desk we're doing. It's an L shape. This is one side, and then the other side's right here. They're gonna connect together. It's not fitting through the hall though, so we gotta take this part off and bring it one by one. So right now I'm just taking off all the wires, take them off, and then I'm taping them together so I know which one goes into which monitor for when I move them. Alright, right now we're trying to drill all the pieces back together. We got the first part in our room. Okay, so we're just trying to drill all these pieces back on, and then we're going to lay it flat right here. There's all the fucking wires and shit we have. Yeah, this is tough. Alright, so we got the first desk laid down, and then there's going to be a second one that comes right here in the L shape. Should fit perfectly right here. So this is what we have so far, and still gotta fix all of this in my room. We just got some disinfectant wipes, and we're kind of just cleaning out all the drawers and shit, but we'll get that done right now. Alright, here's what we're looking at right now. Got the Xbox set up right here, and then parallel to that we got the computer with the little keyboard stand. Alright, now we're currently just working on cable organization. See, we just got a bunch of cables everywhere, trying to pair them with wherever they go, and that's what we've been up to. Alright, here is the final product. We got our desk right here, Xbox right here, running a Minecraft server because some of the homies wanted to join up while I cleaned. And then we got the laptop to the HDMI on this monitor. We got our ring light right here with just some other cool stuff that was from my shelf. We got the new scale right here to weigh our packages, especially because we're going to need to weigh a lot of pounds when we ship over to FBA. And here is the FBA package right here. Kind of dark on this side of the room, but behind me, fuck, let me turn the camera on. There we got our shelf right there. That used to be right here. We got our nightstand. We got rid of the squat rack. Just gotta put all these clothes away. And the room should be done for now. I want to organize this whole shelf right here, the shipping shelf. But it's like 10 o'clock, so I think this is all I'm going to do for now. Edit a video, and probably do some research on how to get my first shipment out so that I can make a video for you guys tomorrow on that. But anyway, this is Austyn Hustles. If you enjoy this type of content, go ahead and subscribe right down here. To the left of me, I have some of my older videos. Go ahead and check them out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little vlog type video. But anyway, I'm out.